Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Realme 15 Pro keeps restarting. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Now scroll down and here you can see the option schedule power on or off. Now click on it. If you turn on these buttons, then turn it off. After turn off these buttons, then go back and click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset erase all data. Now click on clear erase all data. Basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.